I'm trying to catch every species of fish in Texas, and let's dive right in.
Look at this, dude. Oh! Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Dude, I did not even think that was going to happen. This turtle was so interested in my bobber, and I was going to show you guys that these turtles don't even care. And then all of a sudden, this guy decides to eat it. Ow. Ow. No. Ow. No, 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 come back, come back, come back, no. Look, this little red ear. Let's go. Just gonna send it back. He's gone.
Red ear sunfish off the board. We still got to keep going.